Your iPhone typically asks whether you would allow or deny permission for certain apps to access and use the system camera or microphone. If you allow them, then those apps will automatically use the camera or microphone the next time they're launched on your device. If you want to revoke a certain app's access to these hardware features, then you can just change the permission settings. In this video, we will show you how to revoke apps' access to camera and microphone on the iPhone 14 Pro. Before we proceed, please like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. To get started, open the iOS Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or app library of your iPhone. While in the Settings menu, scroll to find Privacy and Security, then tap on it to proceed. Location services and other relevant items and hardware features will load up on the next display. Scroll to locate microphone and camera from the list of hardware features. Note that microphone and camera are separate items, so you need to select them individually. So, tap microphone, then turn off the switch next to those apps that you'd like to revoke access to your iPhone's microphone. To revoke apps' access to the camera, select camera from the list of hardware features, then turn off the switch next to the apps that you'd like to revoke camera access. All recent changes are immediately applied, so those apps will no longer be able to access the microphone and camera of your iPhone unless you grant them permission again. And that's all there is to revoking an app's access to the iPhone 14 Pro's camera and microphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you for watching.